Yeah, what up? It's your boy Zabin Trike back at you once again. I had to do this for the homies. Double that shit. You already know what it is. Maniac. Song called Gutter. Tell me what you think of the song. Like I said, I'm gonna be running it from the south to the south, overseas and back. Let's go. Let me turn this up a little bit before we start.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, you already know I got a rep for the upstate homies. You know what I mean? Even though I'm from Los, you already know what they do. SFVA18.
Midnight is a fiend.
From the gutter. Shit, coming out the gutter. 559. Shit, man, all my locals at. Coming out the mud, this one here for all my bangers, slangers, ghetto politicking in them sectors. Keep that shit 100, even death be scared of raiders. Now I ain't breaking down, I'ma introduce my banger. Wanna catch a fade, then Vato come and get some. Damn, it's been a while since they ain't trying test us. Ain't gotta get ready though, my team be full of killers. Vital when equipped, cause we some heavy hitters. Got what you need, G, even them prescriptions. My faculty be getting it, money's the ambition. Down the end.
See, for a lot of people that don't know, when it comes to that double S shit, it goes from one edge of Southern California all the way up upstate. Out of respect for but the double S, we in a lot of different places. Some even overseas. We got them in UK. We got the double S in all types of places. But like I said, I want to bring a whole different thing to my audience. Let them know, you know what I mean, and also let the homies know that I do rock with that 1-3, and that's how we do it.
State Portland Gresham with the business. Shout out to my boys one time. Yeah, I said mines. What up, Capone? Nah, I ain't forgot. This shit international and I ain't gon' stop till we hit the top. Many nights at the block. Couple brothers gone, but we still keeping it hot. And we still staying in contact with the others that are locked. And proceeding making new connections, adding up the block. Keep it through, chart with things us turning these snakes into knocks. I wouldn't be amazed if they hit the black top. Hitting on the movement, reasons why they target us. But fuck all your influence, light don't shine up on the dark. These streets abiding by your code, there ain't no running from. And yeah, it's a bitch, but it's how you play your cards. You thinking that you know me based on what they gossip on. You got a long ways to go, better catch on up. These goofs throwing shade, they too scared to run it up. Like a domino effect, one by one be getting slumped. Straight up out the...
Excuse me, my allergies are kicking in right now. But anyways, like I said, man, I like that hat. Shout out to the homies. They had got at me. Told me to check out a song. Like I said, I do be looking out for the homies when I can. So, for some people, this might not be your cup of tea, but there's going to be a whole nother crowd that actually get really deep into this music. Well, as far as the ones that really know what's up with Southern California and the homies from upstate, these ones, 559, I'll let them explain. Let's go.
Mud, this one here for all my bangers, slangers, ghetto politicking in them sectors. Keep that shit 100, even death be scared of raiders. Children of the ghetto, natural born hell raisers. The seeds of the slums, hell now we ain't gon' change up. Reap what you sow now, face the consequences. Baby gangsters growing up the new generation. We got our own minds, be prepared for them changes. Still upholding up the code, just a little reckless. Don't come around thinking you can disrespect us. Everybody tripping, best to tie up on your laces. Respect is mandatory or you're down to count your blessings. Gotta come correct when you speaking to these S's. Uptown California, Madera, we be located. Central Killer Cali, BLS in my section. Posilada at the main areas of contention. Run up or shut up if not ready for engagement. Not up for discussion, what you mean negotiations? Now that shit ain't sliding, they be full of contradictions. Disregard on what they saying, they be on that bitch shit. This is for the good.
Like I said, for the people that don't know, man, and you really want to know about that thug shit, just study up on exactly what made California move. That's all I'm gonna say. No shot at anybody else, but if you don't know about that double S, do your research.
The ones out the mud, the hustlers in them trenches, best known as the plug. Get it by any means, come and fuck with us. Get rich, I'ma die trying, yeah, that's a mud from the gutter, gutter. Yeah, MAD Centro Valle, gutter, gutter. Coming out that motherfucking, coming out the gutter, gutter. Sick-minded criminal. What up, Doughboy? What up, Smiley?
Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there. I'm your boy Zabin Tribe 13 banging. But anyways, man, no disrespect to anybody that don't get along with us, but Like I said, I'm gonna look out for the homies as much as I can. For the one who shot me the song, man, hopefully you like it. Uh, it is. I decided to do the reaction late, so said I would get at you ASAP. Took me a little longer, but like I said, hopefully you like it. And your boy out, ya sabes.